This LA developer aims to tear down homes to build apartments where the city doesn't want them. Akhilesh Jha plans to build a 67-unit apartment building to replace this single-family home in Woodland Hills, one of 3 major redevelopment projects he's proposing in Los Angeles. Mel Melkin/Los Angeles Times. Up in arms over developer Akhilesh Jha's proposal to replace a single-family home with a 7-story apartment complex, neighbors in the Harvard Heights community turned to the city for help. The Los Angeles Planning Commission obliged, ordering Jha to scale down the project. But Jha, a 49-year-old aerospace engineer turned real estate developer, refused. Instead, when he returned to the Planning Commission months later, Jha had added an 8th floor. He came back with something that was even worse, said Brian Jett, who lives 3 doors down from the proposed development. It's mind-boggling. Subscribe to continue reading.